Dance, not jump. Go like this.
Karen, is the light supposed to be blinking? Oh, there's Christine in our movie. Ron, is the light supposed to be blinking?
Yeah. What does the light
Where?
when they're videotaping?
Oh, that just means it's recording.
It means recording.
Aren't you supposed to stand up, Karen, when you're dancing? Or is that couch dancing? Oh, okay. No, I don't want that. Okay, I'm going to take somebody else. There's Christine and Colton. And there's Kieran. He's what do you call it? Moonwalking. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ron, that's pretty good.
Don't put that anymore. You better delete that.
No, it's part of the movie. It's going to go out to 60,000 people.
Okay.
You done? Okay, how do